Who are you? Cool down, cool down. I'm coming from the future. You're exactly looking like me. Yes, I am you at 63 years old. I came from 2060. But you're not looking like an old man. Yeah, I traveled in time. In time travel, the age will be constant. I traveled from the same day to the future. So I look exactly like you. Oh my god, I just can't believe it. You have to believe it. But why are you here? How is it possible? Let me explain. I have found a device in 2020 that can allow us to travel in time. I tried that and I am shocked to see how the world looks like after few years. I traveled through different years and I am here to stop you from traveling in time. But why? The earth is no more a safe place to live. It will become completely polluted after few years because of vehicles and industry gases. The water scarcity arises and people hardly get drinking water in the future. There will be no agricultural land in the future because of transformation of agricultural land into commercial land. So, food scarcity arises in the future. Even though the technology makes life comfortable, but the new diseases come into picture which reduces the lifespan of human being. The ozone layer is completely depleted and the radiation affects the people after a few years. Scientists tried exploring Mars, but people finally got to know that Mars is not a safe place to live in because of water scarcity and the livelihood is going to end after a few years. I am getting goosebumps. So, what you want to convey me? I have two important messages for you. The first thing, try your best to control the pollution and water scarcity. Advise people not to waste the water and to reduce the pollution. Save agricultural lands and encourage farmers because I saw people ending their life with starvation in the coming years. The second thing, you will find a device today which allows you to travel in time. Don't pick that. My time is over. I have to leave now. Take care of the planet.